हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल यशपाल स्पोकन इंग्लिश। और आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही एक अट्रैक्टिव वीडियो लेके आया हूँ। अट्रैक्टिव मीन्स बहुत ही रोमांचकारी भी है। और आप मतलब कोई भी आप ही नहीं, पूरी दुनिया इस चीज़ को लेके परेशान रहती है कि हाउ कैन बी गेट सक्सेस, हम जीवन में कैसे सफल हो सकते हैं। कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है, मुझसे ज़्यादा देखने वालों को भी अनुभव है कि हम मेहनत करते हुए हम अपना पूरा बेस्ट देते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, फिर भी हम सक्सेस नहीं होते। तो क्या रीज़न है, कहाँ पे कमिट मिस्टेक हुई कि पूरा 100% देने के बाद भी, दिन रात मेहनत करने के बाद भी हमसे कहाँ पे कमिट मिस्टेक हुई कि हम जीवन में सफल नहीं हो पाए। तो इसीलिए आज का टॉपिक जो बनाया है बहुत ही सोच समझ कर बनाया है कि हाउ कैन बी गेट सक्सेस, मतलब हम जीवन में कैसे सफल हो सकते हैं। तो जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, मैं वन बाय वन एक एक को यहाँ पर बुलाऊंगा और वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे। जो भी है वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करेंगे कि हम जीवन में कैसे सफल हो सकते हैं। तो यू लिसन गाइज, टुडेज टॉपिक इज हाउ कैन बी गेट सक्सेस इन लाइफ। सो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल विशाल चौधरी।
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, Vishal. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So you know that today's topic is how can we get success in life.
Yes, sir.
So I think what will you say about it? I think first you tell me before. After that we will talk about the how can we get success. But first you tell me what is your goal?
My goal is businessman.
Businessman. I think you want to be in future a businessman.
Yes, sir.
So I think nowadays you are living here.
Yes,
So
sir.
first you tell me which type of business you would like to start.
Marketing business.
Marketing.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You want to join the marketing business.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you don't want to do the job.
Yes, sir.
You want to be a good businessman.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think if you want to be a good businessman, so I think how can we get success? Next point is how can we get success? I think I have many examples. Many persons opened his own business and he got failure. So I think you first, if you want to get success, if you want to catch a strong catch in your business, so what will you do? How can we get success in your business?
If you want to get success in your life,
Yeah.
then you should have two things. First, a perfect goal, and second, work hard.
Yeah, definitely. I think you meant to say if you want to get success in life, so you should have two things.
Yes,
Number
sir.
four, perfect goal and working hard.
Yes.
You're absolutely right. Just like if you don't have any goal, so I think how can be possible to get the success?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. I like it. And take your seat.
Okay, sir.
And I think you listen, guys. I think a few seconds back, Vishal Chaudhary came to on the stage. And next round, I would like to call Piyush Kathayat from UK, Uttarakhand.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. And you?
I am also fine.
Okay. What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a army soldier.
Okay. So you know that, Piyush, today's topic is how can we get success.
Yes.
So what will you say about it?
I will say only if you want to be get success in your life, so you wake up in the early in the morning and you think about how to get success, and you also think what you want to be in your life.
Yeah, definitely. So first you tell me, Piyush Kathayat, what do you want to be in future?
I want to be a army soldier in future.
Okay, soldier.
Yes, sir.
I think you want to join the Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's your goal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for getting success, what will you do? Just like if you want to join the Indian Army, so you should have a good running,
Yes, sir.
and you should have a height,
Yes,
and
sir.
also chest. Just like first, before joining the Indian Army, you should complete your physical, written also. So which type of preparation will you do for joining the Indian Army?
First, I will start to early wake up in the morning.
Yeah, definitely. You will go to park for running.
Yes, sir.
And you will
In evening,
practice.
in evening all day I will go to park.
Yeah. In evening.
Yes,
You
sir.
will go. Okay. It's your dream is join the Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
And you have seen that Piyush Kathayat spoke about the his target in his life. And guys, next round में अब मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा शुभम.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. How are you, Shubham?
I am fine, and you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also good. So you know that today's topic is how can we get success in life,
Yes, sir.
right? So I think first you tell me in which class do you study?
I read in 9th class.
Okay, 9th class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. And what is your goal?
My goal is I want to be Indian Navy.
Oh, you want to join the Indian Navy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's a wonderful job. So I think you know that today's topic is how can we get success in life. So what will you say about it? I mean, how can we get success? Because if you want to be join the Indian Navy, anybody else want to join the Indian Army, anybody else want to be a doctor. So it's I think each person wants to make the dream, right?
Yes.
But it is not easy to be anybody else be success. ऐसा तो नहीं कि हर व्यक्ति सक्सेस हो जाएगा. So how can we get success? What will you say about it?
Like I want to be Indian Navy.
Hmm.
So I must be work hard.
Yeah, definitely, absolutely right.
And you know.
Yeah, because working hard we can't do anything, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
working hard is first. Okay, good. Next.
And in Indian Navy, English is more important.
Yeah, absolutely right. Yeah, if you know that how to speak the English and definitely when you will go to for entrance exam, so first you must have to face the interview, and your interview will be English to English.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I think first we should have a English knowledge.
Yes, sir.
And any more, what will you say?
No.
Okay, thank you so much.